It's not just important to pick the right school, but you have to pick the right school at the right place. Miami Herbert Business School is a school that's rising in stature, it's rising in reputation. We are also located at a place that is actually growing. So you're part of an ecosystem that's on the rise. We have top-notch faculty who are amongst the best in terms of scholarly productivity and in terms of bringing that productivity into the classroom. Every single program that we have links in terms of experiential learning to practice, making sure that our graduates are ready for the marketplace. And lastly, we've been very successful in placing our students in industry, and that's definitely one way of guaranteeing the return on investment for our Indian students.
Boost your career with a master's from Miami Herbert Business School, one of only 3 triple accredited B schools in the USA. Applications open for Spring 25. Apply now.